Welcome everyone, and I am so thrilled that you're joining me for this quick Windows 11 video where I am going to tune up my hard disk drive. I've created other videos like this on my channel, as you know, but this is an updated video for, we're almost in September of 2025, so let's check out how we can tune our disk now in Windows 11. Notice I'm going to open the File Explorer and I'm going to go to my disk here under this PC. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose to go to Properties. This is how we've always started this process in the past, and it's kind of interesting. The first thing that I would want to do is I would want to free up and eliminate any clutter that's on my disk. So there used to be a cleanup button right in here, but now notice what's happening. It's a details button. And when we click that, it's going to go into the Windows 11 settings, and it's going to bring us to System, Storage, Storage used on other devices, and then it's going to show you your local hard disk drive, the C drive. And notice it's going to give us a look at the storage that we've used. And what I love is, look at this, it's going to categorize stuff, and this is what I'm interested in targeting. It's the temporary files. Wow, I've got 4.37 gig of temporary files, and I can click on this category to figure out what I want to remove. Now, look at this. Sure enough, the bulk of that 4-something gigabytes is with downloads in my downloads folder. So that is not checked for deletion, and that's great because I need to obviously go over and look at what's inside my downloads and file the things I want to keep and delete the stuff I don't. So that's great. It's not selected. That's just how I want it. I'm going to get rid of the delivery optimization files, the Windows upgrade log files, the Windows update cleanup, the thumbnails. I don't need system recovery files because any problems I've had with this machine I've already sorted out. I don't need error reports. I don't need old Defender antivirus information. You get the idea. I can leave everything else checked here in my scenario, and I can go ahead and say, get rid of all those files. So notice over previous versions of Windows, this really is a much improved interface. And now, there was some Windows update cleanup that I can also do. All right, get rid of that stuff too. Go for it. Yeah, and then that just reappears. That's a little bit annoying, isn't it? So I'm going to hit a refresh there. It'll refresh the whole thing, but you get the idea. This is a great methodology and a great interface for getting rid of that clutter. Clearly, some of this clutter has to be there. That's why it keeps reappearing in this list, and that's just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and close up that interface, and now that I've decluttered my drive, I might want to go to the Tools section, and notice there's Optimize and Defragment. Most of us these days are on SSDs, solid state drives, and we don't want to go in here and do anything. Yeah, because the solid state drive is being optimized automatically by Windows 11. That's great. We don't defragment using traditional methods our SSDs, or we dramatically shorten their lifespan. So yeah, sure enough, Windows 11 is taking care of this for us. We don't really need to go in there any longer. But one thing that we can do as our final step here of tune-up is we can go ahead and check the system for errors. And what's great about this, as it's checking the drive for errors, is we can, of course, continue to use our Windows 11 machine. You can see that it's going to go crazy as far as how much time is left. You'll see 12 seconds, then 4 minutes, then 2 minutes, then 5 minutes, then 30 seconds. And that's just because the CPU is, just triggering all kinds of different messaging here. But the great news is it is going to eventually finish and give you that peace of mind that your disk does not contain errors. I'll go ahead and pause the video here and we'll make sure that I was about to pause it and no need, it just finished. And notice there is a show details so you can get more detailed information about that scan. And I really recommend you do this, obviously, because you would want to visually inspect if there were problems and what was done to fix that. So notice we can see the detailed results of the scan here in the event viewer that it brought us to automatically. And sure enough, there were no problems with my disk. So Windows has scanned the file system and there wasn't a single problem. And that's what I love to hear. Well, thank you so much for joining us in this quick Windows 11 update video where we took a look at what's going on with disk tuning in mid to late 2025. Thanks again for joining me. I'll see you in more Windows 11 videos.